Steps to join. Aviation courses. To enroll in an aviation courses, you need to appear in the entrance examination. AMECET, Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Common Entrance Test, is the best option for aviation courses. Here are the steps for joining the aviation courses via AMECET. Number 1. Understand AME CET. What is AME CET? AME CET, Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Common Entrance Test, is a national-level entrance exam in India. It is designed to help students gain admission to various aviation-related courses, including aircraft maintenance engineering, aeronautical engineering, and commercial pilot training. Courses offered through AME CET. Some popular courses include 1. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, AME. 2. Aeronautical Engineering. 3. Aerospace Engineering. 4. BBA in Aviation. 5. B.Sc in Aviation. 6. B.Sc in AME. 7. B.Sc in Aeronautical. 8. Commercial Pilot License, CPL. 9. Cabin Crew. 10. Airport Management. 11. Airport Ground Staff and many more. Number 2. Visit the AME CET official website. 1. Go to the official AME CET website, www.amecet.in. 2. Familiarize yourself with the available courses, eligibility criteria, exam syllabus, and schedule. Number 3. Registration process. 1. Click Apply Now. Find the Apply Now button on the homepage and start your application process. 2. Create login credentials. Fill in basic details like name, email, and mobile number to create an account. Number 4. Complete the application form. 1. Provide personal details, including name, date of birth, and gender. 2. Enter academic qualifications, such as Class 10 and 12 marks or ongoing studies. 3. Select your preferred courses and examination center. Number 5. Upload required documents. Upload the following documents in the prescribed format. 1. Recent passport-sized photograph. 2. Scanned signature. 3. Any ID proof, Aadhaar card, passport, etc. 4. Class 10th or 12th mark sheet, if applicable. Number 6. Pay the application fee. Application fee structure. 1. Indian Rupee 1600/4 general/OBC male candidates. 2. Indian Rupee 1400/4 female/SC/ST candidates. Payment methods. 1. Debit/credit card. 2. Net banking. 3. UPI. Once payment is completed, take a screenshot or download the payment confirmation for future reference. Number 7. Receive confirmation. 1. After successfully submitting the form and payment, you will receive a confirmation email/SMS with your application details. 2. Download and print the application form for future use. Number 8. Prepare for the AME CET exam. 1. Exam syllabus. Study topics from physics, chemistry, mathematics, and English, class 10th and 12th level. 2. Exam pattern. A. Mode, online, computer-based test. B. Duration, 90 minutes. C. Type, multiple choice questions. Number 9. Download admit card. 1. Log into your student portal before the exam to download the admit card. 2. Check exam center details and reporting time on the admit card. Number 10. Take the AME CET exam. 1. Appear for the online exam at your chosen center. 2. Ensure you bring a printed copy of your admit card and a valid ID proof. Number 11. Results and counseling. 1. Result announcement. A. AME CET will announce results based on your All India rank, AIR. B. You will receive your rank via email/SMS and the official portal. 2. Counseling process. A. Shortlisted candidates participate in counseling to choose their preferred colleges or courses. B. Counseling may be conducted online or offline. Number 12. College allotment and admission. 1. Based on your AIR and preferences, you will receive a seat allotment letter. 2. Follow the instructions in the letter to complete the admission process. Number 13. Scholarship opportunities. 1. AMECET offered up to 100% scholarships to all qualified students. 2. Scholarships are offered to candidates based on their AMECET AIR. 3. Benefits include tuition fee waivers or financial aid. Number 14. Begin your journey. 1. Report to your chosen college on the specified date. 2. Complete the orientation and start your aviation course. For the most accurate updates, regularly visit the official AMECET website, www.amecet.in. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.